When we composing a music piece or a song, it's required to add effects to some sounds. Let's see how to add a reverb effect to the vocals. Right-click on the left panel and click on Add Effect Track. You can select the effect, the configuration of the effect, audio outputs, and few other elements will be appeared within a small window. Select them properly and click on Add Track. The interface of the Reverb plugin will be appeared with a new reverb track. If you close the interface of the effect mistakenly, select the effect track, expand the inserts from the left zone, you'll see the effect you added to the effect channel there. Click on it to open the interface. I'm selecting the Hall Arena preset to the effect track. Now if we send a signal to the effect track in some way, that signal will go through the effect plugin in the inserts of reverb track and produce the effect through the main stereo out bus. Assume that you're trying to add the reverb to the vocal track. Click on the vocal track and expand the send section of the selected track from the left zone. If you click on a slot available under the sends, you'll see the reverb track we created. Click on it to select. Then I'm reducing the level by clicking and dragging to the left. Then activate the slot by clicking on the top left corner button of the slot. Then I'm playing the track and increase the send levels till I hear appropriate blend between the vocal and the reverb. I'll solo the vocal and playback. This is before the effect. And this is after. You can either process the effect tracks too. We are discussing more about these audio processors, inserts and sends with more details in our mixing and mastering classes.